Hi guys, so my sister made the viral Dubai chocolate bar. So let's go ahead and try her out. I've been wanting to try this for forever. And she went ahead and bought the ingredients to make it. So this is what it looks like. It's so cute. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and break it in half. Oh my God. Look at that. Okay, let's give her a taste test. Oh my God. I don't know how to describe it. It's really light and crunchy. I can taste the kanafe. I wish there was more pistachio, but it's pretty good. I like it. I could literally eat the whole bar. I gotta go ahead and get the ingredients to make it. 10 out of 10.